Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're at SixT LAX and just taking a quick look at the car selection here. Got a Range Rover, a couple Teslas, and got a Silverado pickup truck coming in here. We got a couple Mercedes SUVs, a BMW. I think we're going to see a lot of BMWs here. Lots of BMW SUVs, different sizes. Oh man, this is like all BMWs. All the way to the end. I don't see one. Well, I think there's a newer one down to the end. Or maybe not. Yeah, a couple Chrysler minivans. Yeah, let's see what we got around the other side here. We got a Challenger, Charger, and a couple convertibles down the middle. And there's convertibles. We'll take a look at those. You get Highlanders, a couple base model Camaros. These used to be full size, the Camry. Couple Nissans, and got a Chevy Traverse, another Camaro, Nissan, looks like a Corolla, Challenger. Don't see any of the muscle cars with a V8 yet. That's the American ones, and then got some of the nicer cars on the wall down there. Couple BMW convertibles. Just do, yeah, this must be all the convertibles down the middle here. And yeah, I need to rent one of those Z4s sometime. Mustang convertible. And there's a really nice BMW pulling in over there. Some BMW sedans, 2 or 5 series. Oh, here's a newer one. That might be the, is that the 4 series? Oh, here's the big one pulling in. Yeah, that'd be nice. But yeah, that's pretty expensive. It's gonna be a 7 or 8 series. There's another one. Yeah, this is the aisle you want to be renting from if you want something fun. Oh, this is one of those competition, M4 competitions. Oh man, that's on my bucket list right there, yeah. A couple BMWs, and then we got the Cadillac Escalades at the end. All right, thanks everyone for tuning in. Just a quick update, SixT LAX. And I'll see you guys in the next one.